Hey, what's up guys? This is Vic Mobile Mechanic and we got a Dodge Ram 5.7. I don't remember what year. I'll let y'all know at the end by the end of the video what year it is, but we got a Tipm total integrated power module. Looks like we have a bad fuel pump relay in the inside of the module, so we're gonna pull it out and put one in. Let's see if we can get her done. This is the first time trying to do this, so let's see if we can get it done. First of all, we're gonna start by pulling all the fuses out, and I'm just gonna go by doing what I'm doing. I haven't looked up anything on there, so I'm gonna try to just pull out the fuses and then try to see what else I gotta pull out, what other things I gotta pull, and I'll bring you along with me to see if we can figure this out. Of course, I'm gonna start with pulling all the fuses. I've already started. I've got some out. They're a pain in the butt to get out, I tell you what. Let's see if we can get the rest out. As far as I'm concerned, I believe this is going to be the hardest part of the process. Let's get these guys out. Let's see if I can get this guy out. I can get some more room. Of course, take a bunch of pictures, get all your pictures going, because you do not want to forget where one of the fuses goes. And I think I got most of them out except these big ones and these 40 amps and 25 amps. I don't know how to get these out. Got this one out just by pulling on it. That's like that. Let's see if we can get this one out somehow. I moved a little bit. There you go. We got that one out. Let's get this big one out, gray one out. And I'm sorry, y'all can't really see what I'm up to. I'm gonna put you on a different angle here in a little while. Let me try to pull these amps out, these freaking fuses out. I'm gonna have to go get some pliers or something. All right, I hope y'all can see. I got some of these angle pliers from Harbor Freight. I've had them for a good while. I don't know what kind of brand they are. I think they're Quill or something like that brand, which my dog's name is Quill, so as soon as I say Quill, he jumps over. And they are working really well. There's our last two, looks like. Perfect. We'll also take out our nut just in case we need it. We need to. I don't know if we are gonna need to take off the nut or not. We'll do it that way. Now let me try to figure out how to get this piece out, I believe. So far I've just gone around, and there's one pick here, one pin here, another pin, all the way around there's pins. And so far I've just gone around, grabbing it from the bottom here and prying up a little bit. Just slow, nothing to break anything. Just got to kind of go from side to side, just turning it and spinning it, trying to get it unpinned, just like that. See that? It's coming. And also at the same time trying not to pin it back in. Alright, so it looks like that might have done it. We didn't need 1,000 screwdrivers or any of that. This is the way the underneath the fuse bank looks like. And then now let's try to figure out our next step. Now guys, be very careful. I just unpinned one of these pins here. They got little plastic deals on there. I just barely touched it, it came right off. Just be very careful. What I'm doing so far is just going around, pulling on this pin and seeing if we can get this piece off. Not too sure how that's gonna work. Not too sure if we're doing it the right way. Might not be. It looks like we got 2 circuit boards coming out. There we go. Very careful with this stuff. Don't just want to grab on any of them because they will come out. I'm trying to use my little pocket screwdriver. Let's put on these guys. So it looks like we got another one. This one goes underneath that one, I believe. Yeah, something like that. I'll leave it like that. And then I guess we'll try to see if we can pull out the rest. It looks like it is coming out. This one might be a little bit more tricky. Just because it's so far down. But now it's coming. All right, I think we got it. All right, this is the bottom half of that. Put that there. And now we got another circuit board. And I still don't see our relays. And that might be it right there. Let's see if we can get it out. First, I'm thinking about seeing if I can get this piece out. Somehow. All right, and this circuit board looks like it has a couple of pins on all the way around it. And just barely grabbing onto the picks. It's hard to see because the sun's in my way too. We got this side, I think. The pins off of that one. The pins off of that one. Just work yourself around, I guess. And this side don't have a spot where I can grab it, but I think I still grabbed it. With my finger, I'm just pulling on that pin. This top side don't look like it has a pin. Might have to take off this other piece of plastic, see what the heck is up with that. Let's pull that and see what's up. It looks like 2 pins on each side. I don't know. We'll see in a minute. A little headache, but I finally got it. So I got down to, y'all seen with all those pins. Now I was having trouble getting this cap off, but man, you might think that it's got more to it, but it's just these 2 pins. And that's all to it. See where I'm at there. I already pulled off a couple of cases off this backside, which I probably didn't have to. Maybe I did, I'm not too sure yet. But this cover just comes right off. Voila, ta-da. See that? And then this should be our relay here, our fuel pump relay. So let me get this guy off and we'll go from there. Yeah, guys. So I brought it into the garage because it was really windy outside and I couldn't do it in my little patio that I have. But I got it done finally after about 2 hours and so many different other machines just wouldn't do it. I just couldn't get it done. But it came out. Let me see if I can put it back in here so you can see it a little bit better. Oh, something fell out of it. Yeah, it looks like some pins fell out of it or something. Pieces of it. You can tell it's pretty bad. Pretty bad in shape. That's it. That's the little ass relay. My new one. There's the new one. Let's see if that one goes in there pretty good. And that's where it came out of. I'm gonna try to get you a close-up of it. You see the way I bent these pins, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like little holes on there. It was a pain, guys. I ended up having to use some of this stuff. This gun worked really well, but I also used this gun, which this gun did the final little deal. They're both from AutoZone, not sponsored or anything, but yeah, I ended up getting that out. It took maybe about 2 hours. My back hurts from looking over this thing for so long. It took a while. They just didn't want to. The solder in there, it was pretty freaking heavy. All right, guys. Here it is. Job well done, I believe. There's my solder, and I believe that's pretty damn good. A little bulky, but I think it's pretty damn good. There's my new and improved, hopefully, fuel pump relay. Let's go let's go install it, I mean. There you go, guys. We're trying to get these plates back in place. I don't believe we were supposed to take these off, but we did. Now we just got to go back in. There they go. And hopefully they all match up really nice and dandy.